Starting a YouTube channel is exciting, but the harsh reality is that 98% of new creators fail to reach even 1,000 subscribers. Why? Most struggle with a few key bad habits that quietly destroy their growth. In this video, we'll explore the 5 habits that can derail your YouTube journey and how to overcome them. Stick around to the end for a big announcement that could change your YouTube future. 1. Over-focusing on perfection. The problem: many new creators obsess over making their first videos perfect. While striving for quality is important, perfectionism can stall progress and lead to frustration. The reality: your first videos won't be perfect, they might even suck. That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. The solution: focus on getting videos out there and improving with each one. Rewatch every video twice, note mistakes, and apply those lessons to your next upload. Progress, not perfection, is the key to growth. 2. Trying to appeal to everyone. The problem: beginners often create content for a broad audience, assuming this will attract more viewers. Instead, it confuses potential subscribers and makes it harder for the YouTube algorithm to categorize your channel. The reality: people subscribe because they love specific content and want more of it. Random or inconsistent topics make it hard for viewers to understand your channel's purpose. The solution: find your niche and stick to it, at least in the beginning. Think of your niche as the trunk of a tree. Once it's strong, you can branch out into other topics over time. Build a loyal audience who knows what to expect from your channel. 3. Inconsistent upload schedule. The problem: inconsistent posting can confuse your audience and hurt your algorithm ranking. Without regular uploads, viewers lose interest, and the algorithm deprioritizes your channel. The reality: big creators succeed partly because they stick to a strict schedule. Consistency builds trust with your audience and helps the algorithm predict your content's release. The solution: create a manageable upload schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. Stick to your schedule no matter what. Consistency is more important than frequency. Balance YouTube with other commitments like work or school, but don't overpromise what you can't deliver. 4. Neglecting titles and thumbnails. The problem: many new creators spend all their effort on the video itself, leaving titles and thumbnails as an afterthought. This mistake drastically reduces clicks, no matter how good the content is. The reality: titles and thumbnails are your video's first impression, the shop window that draws viewers in. Without an engaging design and headline, your video won't get noticed. The solution: plan titles and thumbnails before creating the video. Use tools like Canva, beginner-friendly, or Photoshop, advanced, to craft professional visuals. Study successful creators in your niche and model your titles and thumbnails after their most popular videos. 5. Ignoring analytics. The problem: the YouTube analytics dashboard can feel overwhelming at first, leading many new creators to ignore valuable data. The reality: understanding analytics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates is crucial for improving your content and growing your channel. The solution: don't stress about analytics in the very beginning, focus on creating. As you gain subscribers, invest time in learning how to interpret key metrics. Use data to identify what's working, what's not, and how to refine your strategy. Bonus tip: embrace viral tools like Nexus Clips. Using AI tools like Nexus Clips can supercharge your growth. Nexus Clips repurposes your content into shorts with minimal effort, automatically identifying the best moments, adding captions, and formatting them for vertical video platforms like YouTube Shorts. These 5 habits: perfectionism, trying to appeal to everyone, inconsistent uploading, neglecting thumbnails and titles, and ignoring analytics, are the silent killers of new YouTube channels. By addressing these issues and committing to consistent improvement, you can break free from the 98% and join the successful 2%.